This is just a continuation in solving combined variation. Let's have another example. If z varies directly as x and inversely as y, and z is equals to 8 when x is equals to 4 and y is 3, what is the value of x when z is 10 and y is 9? So our goal here is to find the value of x when z is 10 and y is equals to 9. But before that, we need to have our equation. So our equation ay magmumula sa unang statement natin. So we have here z varies directly as x and inversely as y. So yung unang variable na binanggit ay si z. So z, i-isolate natin si z is equals to, this is varies directly. So you're going to multiply k, direkta kay x. So this is k times x. And we have the word inversely. So ibig sabihin, all over y. Then we will proceed to the second statement. Z is equals to 8. X is equals to 4. And y is equals to 3. So, ang purpose ng second statement is to find the value of the constant of variation or k. And to find the constant of variation, you just use the equation z is equals to kx all over y and substitute the value of z, which is 8, times k times the value of x, which is 4, all over the value of y, which is 3. So take note, the denominator of a whole number is 1. Let's apply cross multiplication or cross product property. So this is 8 times 3. 1 times k is k times 4 is 4k. Let's simplify. This is 4k is equals to 8 times 3 is 24. Our goal is to find the value of k. We need to divide both sides by 4. So we have here 4k divided by 4 is equals to k. 24 divided by 4 is 6. K is equals to 6 is what we call the constant of variation. Now we're done using the first statement and the second statement. We can now find the value of x when z is equals to 10 and y is equals to 9. So we're going to use the same equation. Z is equals to kx all over y. Next step is to substitute the value of z. So z is 10 is equals to k is 6. Do we have the value of x? So retain as x all over the value of y, which is 9. Again, the denominator of a whole number is 1. We're going to do cross product property. So 10 times 9 is 90. So 10 times 9 is equals to 6 times x. So 6 times x is 6x. 10 times 9 is 90. So our goal is to find the value of x. So we need to eliminate 6 beside x. So divide both sides by 6. So x is equals to 15. Therefore, when z is equals to 10 and y is equals to 9, x is equals to 15. Let's have another example. A varies jointly as B and C and inversely as D. If A is 20, when B is 5 and C equals to 8 and D equals to 4, find D if A is 6, B is 7, and C is 3. So the question is, it was asking for the value of D. But before that, we need to find the equation. So, kukunin natin yung first statement at itatranslate natin into equation. So, ang unang variable na binanggit ay si A. So, we're going to isolate A. We have the word varies jointly as B and C. So, we're going to multiply K to B and C. So, we have here A is equals to K times B times C. And we have the word inversely. So, all over D. So let's proceed to the second statement. If A is 20, when B is 5, and C is 8, and D is 4, so the second statement is used to find the constant of variation. So, paano makukuha yun? Let's go back to the equation. Let's get the equation A is equals to KBC all over D. Substitute natin yung value ni A. A is equals to 20 is equals to K times the value of B, which is 5, times the value of C, which is 8, times the value of D, which is 4. Then apply cross multiplication. Again, take note the denominator of a whole number is 1. So this is 5 times k is 5k times 8 is 40k times 1 is still 40. Cross multiply. So we have here 5 times k times 5 times 8 is equals to 20 times 4. So we need to divide. So our goal is to find the value of k. We need to eliminate 5 and 8 here. So we divide both sides by 5 and 8. 5 and 8. So k times 5 times 8 divided by 5 times 8, will be eliminated, or we only have k. Next, 20 divided by 5 is 4. 4 divided by 8 is 1/2 times 1 over 2. So, simplifying this one, we will have k is equals to 4 times 1 is 4 divided by 2. K is equals to 2. Okay, so k is equals to 2. Is what we call the constant of variation. Okay, but we were asked to find the value of D when A is 6, B is 7, and C is 3. So we're going to use the equation A is equals to KBC all over D. Then substitute the value. So we have the value of A, which is 6. We have the value of K, which is 2. Times the value of B, which is 7. Times the value of C, which is 3, all over D. Then the denominator of a whole number is 1. Then apply cross multiplication. So we have here 6D is equals to 2 times 7 times 3. So our goal is to find the value of D. So let's simplify this. 6D is equals to 2 times 7 is 14. 14 times 3 is 42. So our goal is to find the value of D. We need to eliminate 6, divide both sides by 6. So D is equals to 7. So when A is equals to 6, B equals to 7, and C equals to 3, the value of D is 7.